The era of virtual reality has already begun, as it's rapidly growing. And I could definitely say that in a few years, virtual content creators will become mainstream. However, today I'm going to talk about Flipside Studio, a VR app that is exclusively designed for next-gen content creators. Whether you want to do VTubing, live streaming, or anything else, you can do all of these with Flipside Studio. Well, this app is for VR content creators. Honestly, I tried this personally and it really impressed me a lot. So if you want to make videos, this app could be really good for you. You can literally turn anything into a stage and shoot videos from many different camera angles. And the best part is, you can upload your own custom avatar. And it's also support hand tracking. It is currently free to use. You should definitely check out this app if you want to create something amazing in VR.